Let's talk about the power of surrender and the power that exists inside of surrendering. And this is one of my favorite topics. So I'm so excited to share this with you. And I talk so much about dominance and I talk so much about power. And to the degree that you can really surrender is also to the degree that you are able to step into your leadership and your authority and ask for what you want. And I'm going to explain why in this video and give you some epic permission in here. And also, hi everyone, it is Pamela, aka the Awakened Aphrodite, and I am here to help you explode your bank account and your love life using feminine dominance and deep rewiring, everlasting hypnosis, and all of the amazing things so that you can radically and rapidly change your life and make the kind of money that you desire with ease and have the relationships that you've always dreamt of. And if you are wanting to work with me 101, one of the last spots was just taken. And so there is one more that I'm opening up before I raise my prices significantly. If this is for you, send me a DM on Instagram saying, I'm ready. So at the Awakened Aphrodite, I'm ready. And the Queen's Coven Mistress Mind is going to be opening mid-July, which is another great way to work with me one-on-one in a group setting. So let me know if you'd like to get on the waiting list for that. 5 spots have already been sold, so I'm very, very excited to invite you in. So the power of surrender. You know, it's very fascinating. I had a client the other day who said to me, Pamela, your life looks so exciting, right? How is it that you are able to, create this vibe or have this sort of brand? I can't remember what her exact words were, but, she was basically saying my life is, her life she didn't feel like was that exciting. And this all has to do with surrender. I'm getting there, I promise. And she felt like, her life didn't feel as exciting, and so how could she market it, and so on and so forth. And my response to her was, I was laughing when I read this, and I said, my life is super boring. In my opinion, my life is quite boring, and it's just that I'm excited about the things that I talk about and the things that I share. And so the excitement comes through. And it isn't that I live this crazy, exciting life. I mean, maybe to some people I do, right? And in some ways, I'm sure that I do. And also, the majority of my time I spend in nature. I spend chilling, resting, self-caring, being with the people that I love, meditating, right? That is how I spend my life. Or being with you all, or being, showing up for my clients and things like this. And especially when I'm not traveling, that's the case. So what is my point here? What does this have to do with surrender? My point in saying this is I spend most of my time in surrender, right? So yesterday I went for a walk in the forest and I meditated in this burial ground for an hour. And I was in the surrendering to the day and to the experience, to my thoughts, to my being. And it's to the degree that you're able to surrender to all of your experiences and come into this place that all of these things are always perfectly aligned, right? So someone says something that you don't like. What would it be like if you were the kind of person where you were able to surrender into the pain that that comment gave you and go, oh, I see this differently now, instead of constantly running from it? Because People seek power, right? And people seek influence so that they no longer have to deal with the bullshit, the pain, the things that happen. And believe me, I understand this. I feel like I was that person for a very long time, in the sense that, I didn't want to feel my feelings. I didn't want to feel the sadness. I didn't want to feel the anger. And I also made the mistake of getting lost in the sadness and getting lost in the frustration and getting lost in the anger. And that's a different thing. And there's a very beautiful thing that gets to occur when you feel the sadness. You surrender into it with this depth of trust and knowing that everything is happening for you, where you really get to break open into the other side of power. Now, how do you do this, right? I teach you embodiment practices and stillness, which I don't need to teach you, right? I mean, I might need to teach you. It depends on who I'm speaking to, of course. You can do this simply by going into a meditative state of remembrance and really remembering who you are as a person, and allowing everything else that's external to you begin to fall away, right? It's in this depth of surrender to your truth and to your knowing that you are magical, that everything else begins to fall away. Because where fear and stress and anxiety come from is not being in this state of belief that you are powerful and that you are magical. And then, we make the mistake of surrendering to the truths that are happening outside of us, that are causing us, surrendering into the sadness and getting lost there, right? When the real thing is, how can you surrender to your power? How can you surrender into who you know yourself to be? How can you surrender into your own magic? How can you surrender into your own ability to create exactly what you desire, right? How can you surrender into your desires? And the thing that I want to say about this is, if this feels scary, I understand, because the truth is, not many people live like this. And I don't want to sit here and pretend that, it's in this place that tons of people exist and all these things. I believe that it's in this place that you get to find deeper soulmate, delicious connection. And not many people actually exist in this place. Most people are distracted. Most people are living lives that they don't even know why they're living, right? Most people are too trapped in their own anxieties or fears or insecurities to be able to really even be with you fully and completely. And this is the world that we live in. One of my queens is here, Razia. I love you. You're so sexy. Says, it feels amazing. It does feel amazing, yes. Kim Spirit says, do you practice stillness daily? Yes. I meditate every single day. And on many days, my deep desire is to be in a state of meditation for as long as I can, right? As long as I can. And I used to fight this. And sometimes I still fight this, I'll be honest. Sometimes I'm still like, I can't do that. I can't be in a state of meditation for that long. I have things to do. I've got to be more productive. I still struggle with this sometimes. And what I have found is that whenever I give myself the stillness, everything realigns in my favor. easily and effortlessly, in all ways, on all days. And this is what I want for you too. I want this for you in your business, and I want this for you in your love life. This doesn't mean that things don't happen, right? Does not mean that. It means that you are more or less unconcerned when things do, because you are in the surrender, and your priority is surrendering more into a better and more true sensational reality. So you're not concerned with what's happening, seemingly outside of you, even though it isn't outside of you. And that's a conversation for a different day. So if you are ready to take my final 101 spot at 55K, and there are payment plans available, this includes all of my courses. It's going to be so fucking exciting. Then send me a DM if you're already in one of my courses. We can talk about, if you're in the Art of Feminine Dominance specifically, then we can talk about having whatever you've paid there applied to this as well. And I would love to have you and welcome you into the palace in this deep way. And also, if you are not there yet, you're like, I want to work with you one-on-one, and I'm ready to step into this next level of one-on-one work in a group setting. The Mistress Mind opens in July. We've already sold 5 spots, and so I really want to keep it to a smaller group. I want to have you in there. Send me a DM and I'll put you on the waiting list, and we can talk about what that looks like. You get bi-weekly hot seat coaching and weekly calls with a week off every month. And there's going to be tons of surprises and amazing things and bonuses in there as well. So if this is for you, send me a DM on Instagram at The Awakened Aphrodite. And I'm so excited to be working with you, diving more deeply into you and into who you are, and transforming everything back to the way that it's meant to be. So, I love you so deeply. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you. And comment below on what you learned from this video, your favorite frame. You can just write FF and then write what, the thing that I said. And then that helps other people tap into that learning as well. Hi, Lulu. I love you too. And you're welcome, Kim. Definitely get back into meditating. And thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being here. I will speak to you very, very soon. Thank you.